If you're wondering how to clean a burnt baking tray, this trick can truly transform it. Place halved lemons side by side on the heavily burnt surface. Thanks to their natural acids, lemons dissolve grease, remove burnt residue, and neutralize unpleasant odors. Next, sprinkle baking soda over everything. It softens grime and helps loosen stubborn, dried-on dirt. Add a little dish soap, which effectively cuts grease and boosts the power of the cleaning mixture. Now pour vinegar over the surface. Its reaction with the baking soda creates a foaming action that lifts burnt residue from the tray. The foam begins working exactly where the buildup is worst. Place the tray in the oven for about 10 minutes so the heat can enhance the action of all the ingredients. As the temperature rises, grease and residue begin to dissolve almost on their own. When you remove it, you'll see the grime separating from the surface. Pour off the dirty liquid along with the dissolved grease and burnt bits. Finally, wipe the surface with a soft cloth to remove any remaining residue. This is a simple way to clean a baking tray without harsh chemicals. The tray regains its cleanliness without scrubbing, and the results are visible immediately. It looks almost like new straight from the store. Do this after each use of the oven, and you'll never have to spend hours scrubbing it again. How to keep your oven always clean? Or maybe you're wondering how to clean it without scrubbing. Once you know this trick, it will only take a moment from now on. When you cook dinner or supper in the oven, grease, sauce, or cheese can make a mess. After dinner, all that remains are the burnt-on bits. But there's a way to handle it. If you do this right after using the oven, getting it clean will only take a moment. And there's no need for scrubbing. When your oven is empty and turned off, get a bowl. Pour in just under 100 milliliters of vinegar. Boil a liter of water in a kettle. Pour the boiling water into the bowl with the vinegar. Place the bowl in the oven and close it. Leave the bowl inside for 20 minutes. After this time, open the oven. Look at how steamed up it is. It will be easy to clean now. Wipe the glass with a clean cloth. See how dirty it was. Now, wipe the inside of the oven. Soak the cloth in the vinegar water. You can continue cleaning the oven now. For tougher stains, use a sponge. After everything, wipe the oven with a paper towel. Don't forget to clean the heating elements at the top of the oven. Dirt collects on them too, and now they're easy to clean due to the moisture. Just remember that the oven must be off during this process. My mother-in-law told me she cleans the oven with a toilet brush, so I decided to try it. Inside, there are spots you can never reach with a regular cloth, and that's exactly where this trick makes a difference. But the steps matter. Grab a toilet brush, ideally a brand new one, and use it only for this purpose. Choose one with dense bristles and a comfortable, longer handle. Rinse the brush with water. The water should be clean and fresh. Let the brush stay slightly damp. Start with the oven rails. That's where grime builds up most often, and it's the perfect time to clean them. Scrub each rail one by one from both sides. The bristles pick up dirt really well and reach into narrow gaps. Then wipe away any leftover moisture with a microfiber cloth. Now move to the top of the oven. This area usually looks the worst. Scrub it thoroughly. The brush gets into tricky spots easily and adjusts to uneven surfaces. Take your time and be thorough. Finish with the bottom. If there are dried-on stains, it can handle those too. Scrub the entire bottom surface. In the end, just wipe everything down, preferably with a dry microfiber cloth, and you're done. Cleaning an oven with a toilet brush is easier than you think, and you immediately know how to clean your oven without chemicals. Throw eggshells onto a baking tray. You'll be surprised at what you can do with them. Eggshells are a great source of calcium and other minerals that can be used in many ways. Place them in the oven and heat for 5 minutes. This makes them more brittle and easier to grind. Now, transfer the toasted eggshells to a blender. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, which acts as a natural cleaner. Then, add 1 tablespoon of laundry detergent, which helps break down stubborn stains. Blend everything until the eggshells turn into a fine powder. Your homemade cleaning mix is ready. Now, test it on burnt pots and pans. Sprinkle the powder on the scorched areas, scrub and rinse. Wipe dry and see the difference. Tough stains and burns disappear without scratching the surface. Your pan looks like new, and cleaning has never been easier. Try this method and forget about expensive chemical cleaners. Line your oven with this trick. The results will surprise you. First, grab a dishwasher tablet. It's packed with active ingredients that tackle grease and stains effectively. If your oven is heavily burnt, with dried food residues and greasy glass, this hack will be a game changer. No scrubbing is needed to make it shine like new. Start by unwrapping one dishwasher tablet. Place it in a bowl and add 200 milliliters of warm water. Stir and let it dissolve. Using a sponge, generously soak it in the solution and apply it to the dirty walls of the oven. Squeeze the mixture onto the interior surfaces. Dishwasher tablets contain concentrated detergents specifically designed to dissolve and remove grease. Next, take a kitchen towel and tear it into pieces to stick onto the oven's walls. Leave it for 30 minutes. During this time, the active ingredients will break down the dirt without any effort on your part. Afterward, remove the paper, wiping away the loosened grime. Your oven will sparkle with no streaks on the glass. Cleaning a burnt oven will never be a tiresome chore again. Aluminum foil will clean your oven. If your oven is heavily burnt, this trick will definitely come in handy. Take a dishwasher tablet, as it contains many active substances that effectively handle grease and stains. Prepare a small bowl and place the tablet in it. Add 200 milliliters of warm water. Stir the mixture and let it dissolve. Apply the prepared mixture to the dirty walls of the oven using a sponge. Soak the sponge generously and squeeze it over the burnt food. Next, use aluminum foil. Simply tear off a few pieces and cover the surfaces you previously treated with the tablet solution. If the oven walls are dirty, the foil will hold the substance in place and prevent it from dripping. Leave the prepared oven for 2 hours. During this time, the active ingredients will dissolve the dirt, and you won't have to lift a finger. After this time, simply remove the foil and roll it into a ball. Then lightly rub the inside of the oven. The surface of the foil will lift off the remaining burnt food without scrubbing. You can immediately see how everything comes off beautifully. Finally, wipe everything down with a paper towel or dry cloth, and you're done. The oven shines and looks like new. Clean your oven while you sleep. If your oven is heavily burnt, this trick will definitely come in handy. It works every time. Start by removing everything from the oven. Prepare a bowl and pour in 1.5 liters of hot water. Place the bowl in the oven. Then add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Vinegar has antibacterial properties, and salt helps remove residue. Stir the water and vinegar mixture. Leave the prepared oven overnight. The heat from the water and the properties of the vinegar will dissolve the grime without you lifting a finger. The next day, dip a clean cloth into the water and vinegar mixture. Squeeze it slightly and wipe the inside of the oven, removing all the dirt. Thanks to this simple trick, your oven will shine without the use of chemicals. I use this trick in my daily life. See the results. Your oven has never been this clean.